now we're on to the key signature chapter on page 16. There are 4 different key signatures that you'll need to recognise for grade 1 for the major keys: C major, G major, D major and F major. I've then drawn 4 of them in the treble clef and the same 4 in the bass clef. Your job is to find out where to put the sharps and flats, and it's quite easy because they're always in the same place for that particular scale. So C major is the most basic one and it has no sharps and no flats. So we're looking here for any signs that look like this for a sharp or this for a flat. If there aren't either in the key signature, then we know it's C major. So C major here, this one is already correct. And we can see here in the bass clef, C major has no sharps and no flats. I'm not going to draw anything in, my job's already done. So that one is already complete. This one, G major, has F sharp. So we have to count up the lines. So every good boy deserves football. And we draw in the F sharp very delicately, going through the F sharp line. Now if I choose to draw it on the F here, for faces in the spaces, that's wrong. It's not allowed to go there. So make sure you count to the 5th line up and you draw the sharp going through the line really carefully. This is now correct. Now, moving on to D major, you have the F sharp and then you follow it with the C sharp. You can't have it the other way around. So again, put F sharp in first. And then you have to find the C sharp, F, A, C. It goes on the 3rd space in here. That's now correct. F sharp, C sharp. For F major, it has a B flat, which goes through the middle line. Every good boy. Let's put that very delicate lowercase b going through that 3rd line. F major, that's now correct. Now when we move down to the bottom, we've already completed the C major, no sharps, no flats. For the G major, we have to find where the F goes. So it's green, buses, drive fast. I'm going to put it in there. And then for D major, again, the F sharp comes first. And then we need the C sharp, all cows, all cows. And notice it's going to the right of the sharp that came before it. You can't have it underneath like this. This is wrong. So you place one here and the next one is slightly to the right. I'll just draw it again, F sharp and C sharp. And finally, F major, we know that has B flat. So it's green, buses, going through the 2nd line. And there we go. These are now all correct.